Have you ever walked into a home and felt like you instantly moved closer to the ocean? Have you imagined waking up to breezy coastal vibes, where every room reflects beachside elegance and tranquil charm? Designing a beach house interior isn't just about pretty seashells. It's a lifestyle rooted in serenity, light, and seamless connection with nature. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to create that sandy footprint feeling at home. From soothing palettes and natural textures to smart furnishing, coastal accents, and practical tips. Whether you're renovating a beachfront cottage or bringing seaside calm to a city condo, these ideas will help you channel effortless coastal living.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What color palette sets the foundation for a coastal retreat? Beach house color schemes are rooted in natural serenity, echoing skies, surf, and sand. Start with crisp whites or warm grays on walls and trim, creating a bright, airy canvas. Layer in navy blue, seafoam green, and sandy taupe through accent walls, upholstery, and rugs, colors that evoke ocean depths and driftwood drift. Infuse subtle blush or coral hints in throws, art, or ceramics to mirror sunrise reflections. Keep the palette light, adding darker tones sparingly to maintain contrast without overwhelming the serenity. This palette invites calm, movement, and coastal harmony. It's a timeless, breezy base that feels as fresh as a sea breeze. Like and share if you're ready to base your space in tranquil coastal hues. Which materials and textures breathe life into a beach-inspired space? A beach house should feel tactile and grounded with natural materials. Start with wide plank wood or whitewashed oak floors that mimic boardwalks. Add jute or sisal rugs in living areas for organic warmth. Textiles in cotton, linen, and gauzy weave evoke breezy comfort. Think slip-covered sofas and linen curtains. Incorporate driftwood frames, rattan baskets, or reclaimed boatwood accents to echo seaside stories. Use woven textiles in pillows and throws. Chunky knits or striped textures add cozy layers. For surface details, choose weathered metal, bleached wood tables, and chunky ceramic jars to complete the sensory experience. These elements combine softness, history, and authenticity, capturing shoreside charm in everyday living. Subscribe for more guidance on layering textiles and materials for maximum coastal comfort. How do you choose furniture that balances comfort and casual coastal elegance? Coastal furniture should be both easy and enduring. Opt for plush, slip-covered sofas in neutral canvas, comfortable, washable, and sun-ready. Choose coffee and side tables in reclaimed wood or lantern-style wicker designs. Accent with armchairs in rattan, or light-toned upholstered frames. Tables should feel airy. White painted wood with open legs keeps sightlines broad. For dining, pick bleached wood tables with paired benches to evoke boardwalk picnics. Use outdoor-styled furniture, aluminum or synthetic wicker, for patios. Furnish them with coastal cushions and weather-resistant fabrics. The rule: keep pieces grounded, comfortable, and flexible for seasonal shifts, effortlessly tying indoor and outdoor spaces together. Check out our playlist below to see furniture pieces that mix coastal style and practicality. What lighting fits a relaxed beach house vibe? Lighting anchors the mood in any home, and in a beach house, it should emulate natural sunlight. Start with large windows and minimal window treatments to maximize daylight. For artificial lighting, choose soft fixtures, rattan pendants, frosted glass chandeliers, or driftwood-like lampstands. Include wall sconces that resemble lanterns to create a seaside cottage feel. Use floor or table lamps with linen shades for reading light. If outdoor access exists, add string lights or copper lanterns under eaves or pergolas to extend evenings. Balancing daylight, ambient lighting, and localized sources ensures each room feels warm, relaxed, and shore-inspired. Subscribe if you're ready to light your home with beachy brilliance. How can accessories enhance coastal storytelling without creating clutter? Accessories tell the beach house story, subtly and thoughtfully. Display starfish, dried seagrass, or coral in shadow boxes or glass cloches. Choose beachy artwork like abstract ocean prints, or vintage maps of seashore towns. Include woven baskets filled with blankets or beach gear. Stack driftwood candle vessels, seashell bowls, or sea glass jars on consoles. For shelves, mix books on coastal living with ropes or nautical knots. Keep displays minimal and curated. Focus on 1 or 2 themes per area, keeping the aesthetic clean and evocative. Accessories should spark memories, not overwhelm the senses. Let me know in the comments which accessory stole your heart. What strategies create indoor-outdoor flow perfect for beachfront living? Blurring indoor and outdoor space is key to coastal design rituals. Install sliding glass doors that open wide to patios or sand dunes. Create continuity with the same flooring or soft rugs that transition inside. Use weather-resistant sofas on decks with neutral textiles and throw pillows. Bring outdoor plants, potted palms or grasses, inside to breathe life into interiors. Hang sheer curtains inside sliding doors to soften boundaries. Mount lanterns and string lights outdoors with coordinating interior fixtures. This synergy enhances light, airiness, and natural rhythm. No boundary feels solid when the beach is your neighbor. Check out more similar videos linked below to guide your indoor-outdoor transition ideas. What functional storage fits coastal style and busy beach life? Great storage is essential in beach homes where gear and sand accumulate. Install built-in benches with storage under entryways or window seats, perfect for towels or gear. Use open shelves with wicker baskets for beach needs. Select coffee tables and ottomans with internal storage. In bathrooms, use ladder shelves or woven laundry hampers that won't suffer in humid conditions. Keep seashell coffee tables that open inside or framed toy chests inside. These solutions keep the aesthetic breezy and gear-free while ensuring your home functions beautifully. All products as seen on video are linked in the description to help you shop smart. How can you implement beach-inspired patterns and textiles? Patterned textiles bring movement and comfort. Add coastal stripes in rugs, pillows, or blankets in soft or nautical colorways. Use coral print fabrics on cushions or drapes for whimsy. Choose ikat-style upholstery that echoes water flow. Layer rugs with subtle geometric or botanical designs. Introduce mesh net fringe on runners, or toss pillows in sea glass hues. These textiles should feel soft, welcoming, and tactfully themed. Balance is key. Let textures and color placement subtly whisper beachside life rather than shout it. Explore our playlist for specific tips on selecting coastal-approved patterns. Designing a beach house-inspired interior isn't just about nautical themes. It's a way to bring the ocean's peaceful rhythm into your everyday life. Through airy palettes, tactile textures, breezy lighting, curated decor, seamless outdoor integration, and practical solutions, every corner of your home can resonate with seaside calm. Begin small, choosing one focal room or element, and layer from there. It's about the feeling you create, not a catalog match. Let your space reflect shorelines, sunshine, and simple joy every day of the year.